omelet today. It's gonna be so yummy.
Hello,
Come and
I'm
see.
Oru Bear,
First,
cooking eggs with
mixing
love and care. Chef hat on,
Time to
apron
wash my
blue.
paws.
Come and cook with me
Ooh,
and
bubbly
you.
soap.
Wash my
All
little
clean
paws.
now.
Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Clean, 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 don't ever stop.
Let's
Rinse,
get
rinse,
this
rinse.
yummy
Splash,
cheese
splash, splash.
And add some fresh veggies. Yay, cooking. Perfect for my recipe.
Bowl and whisk, we've got
Time to
them
mash
all.
the butter.
Pan and plate
Squish,
all
squish,
ready
mash
to.
it up.
Let's make food.
Almost creamy now.
Cheese, cheese,
Chop, chop, chop.
yummy,
Almost
please.
done. There, all ready.
Chop, chop, chop our veggies bright, red and green, what a sight. Butter, butter, soft and square. Mash, mash, mash with Oru Bear. Tap, tap,
Okay,
tap.
little chef.
Crack, crack,
I'll
crack.
turn on the
Eggs
stove.
go in,
Yay,
no
not too
falling
big.
back.
Just a
Whisk,
little
whisk,
flame.
whisk.
See?
Smelling wrap, sish, shish,
Time
shash,
to
it,
stir the
deep and
butter.
sap. Stole this
Melting
off the
perfectly
spray
now.
away. Call it
Ready for the
quits, a
next step.
safe your gay. Spit full vent with cheese on top. Make it now, we never stop. Tat, cat, tat, Kenchel freeze, home it's baby, vegetables please. 4, soft and tough, golden omelet, shine and boing. Bash, mash, mash with quick, so clean. Shine and shine and
smells
stop
great.
scene.
I made this omelet just for myself.
See